Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is cost, elements, concept and classification. The objective of each manufacturer is to calculate not only the total cost of production but also to calculate the cost incurred in each item. The wastage in production will be remain unknown and the assessment of the future cost in production cannot be made till future include each item unknown. All the element of production with the help of which production is done are called element of cost. Element of cost can be divided in two parts: direct expenses, indirect expenses. Direct expenses are those expenses which are the certainly related to special unit of goods produced. Indirect expenses are those expenses which are not directly related to a specific unit and goods produced. Rather than they are related to the help of unit are related with the whole organization. Indirect expenses are related to factory, office, selling and distribution. In short, the element of cost can be shown with the help of the following chart. A cost of combination of three elements: material plus labor plus expenses. Total cost, direct cost, indirect cost. Direct cost, direct material, direct labor and direct expenses. Indirect cost, indirect material, indirect labor and indirect overheads. Material cost, it is the cost of commodity supplied to an undertaking for the production purpose. Cost is equal to material cost is equal to cost of production plus freight inward plus municipal taxation plus material insurance etc. Types of material cost: direct material cost. Direct material cost is the which can be identified with the collection and allocation of the cost unit. It will become a part of finishing goods. For the example, cotton used in textile mills, steel in machinery, etc. Indirect material cost, they expenses incurred on the material which are not directly chargeable to the production as known in the indirect cost. The amount of these expenses are small but they are important in production. Coil, oil, paint and nuts, threads, etc. Labor cost, for the conventional material into finishing goods, human effort is needed. Such human effort is called labor. The cost of remuneration of employees in industry like salary, wages, bonus, etc. Labor cost is including all provident fund, gratuity, idle time, wages of holiday and salary. Types of labor: direct labor cost, indirect labor cost. Direct labor cost means that the cost will directly related to production activity, wages and salary. Indirect cost, it is general labor cost but it is not directly linked in the production process. It to help to production process. Storekeeper salary, watchman and administrative expenses. All cost other than material and labor are termed as expenses. The cost of services provided to undertaking and the cost of the use own asset is known as expenses. Depreciation, any type of loss of expenditure, rent, business premium and office expenditure etc. Type of expenses: direct expenses. These are expenses which can be directly allotted to the specified cost center or cost unit. Direct expenses are some also described as chargeable expenses: hiring charges, job processing, depreciations, royalty, etc. Indirect expenses cannot be allocated to cost unit but they are part of production. These are expenses are necessary to run a product process. Lightly, for the example like electricity, insurance, repair, etc. Overhead, the term overhead including indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses. All direct indirect costs are overheads: factory overheads, manufacturing overhead, production overhead, office and administration overhead and sale distribution overhead. Factory and production overhead, factory of work their production is done, it including all the indirect linked with the production cost process. Administrative overhead, office and administration means it is replaced with their routine as well as policy matter are decided. These indirect expenses including general administrative expenses. These are expenditures are required to run a office. It means all office expenses. Third one and last, selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution where production are sold and final dispatch to the customer. Selling overhead means which are incurred of the promoting sale, increasing sale, motivation and customer. Distribution overhead, those are the start and after production process. It related to the distribution cost, finishing goods to customer. Component of the total cost. Prime cost is equal to direct material, direct labor plus direct expenses is equal to prime cost and direct cost. Factory and work cost, prime cost plus में overhead family factory overheads. Cost of production is equal to work and factory cost plus administrative overheads. Cost of sale or total cost of production plus selling overheads. Thank you.
Thank you.